Joy, can you show me again that slime that you made with Miss Essie and our friends?
Oh, of course! It's right over here. It's yellow with blue foam balls and glitters and some joyful charms.
It's right here. It's super stretchy, super squishy, and I feel one charm right here. Oh my goodness, look, it's a pink unicorn. Not bad. How about you, Sadness? Can you show me your slime?
Sure, it's right here. I think you're gonna like it. It's clear and shimmery with some hearts and lots of fun charms too.
She's right. I mean, look at this. Isn't this super cool? I love all the hearts. I love that it's clear and blue with lots of shimmer. And I see the charms. Here's a watermelon, an ice cream, and there's one more right here. A yummy cupcake. Okay. Doesn't look as disgusting as I thought it would be. Okay, I'm in. I want one too.
Oh, yippee! How about you, Anger?
Okay, I'll do it. Whatever gets you guys off my fiery hair.
Yay.
Woohoo! We just need to convince one other emotion. Oh, if you're talking about me, that's an absolute no. That slime can get stuck on my only hair, and then I would have no hair left. Oh no, definitely a no. Oh, that guy is going to need a little bit more convincing.
I think so too. Hello friends, Miss Essie here. Today we have the original emotions from the movie Inside Out 2. We've done the slime for joy and for sadness in the past. Today we are doing disgusts and angers and hopefully fear too.
Oh no, not me.
We'll start off with... you can start with him. He does not like waiting. Perfect! Let's start with you first, Anger. Let's pour some glue in here. We are going to make his slime red, so I'm dropping some red coloring in there. And we are going to mix that up. Okay, that is not red enough for me. I'm gonna have to add a different color. Nope, that did not do. If anything, it just kind of made it lighter. Let's see if we add a little bit more. Time for some activator. Mix again. Now we're going in with our hand. Woo! Super sticky right now. And here it is. Whoa! It's perfect. It's shiny and stretchy and squishy. I'm gonna add this white powder in here and watch what happens when I do. It's making our slime fluffy. Let's add a little bit more.
Mix again.
Ooh. So here is our fuzzy slime. I don't know how else to call it. It definitely has a lot of texture to it. It's kind of like a mix of sand and snow. We'll go ahead and add some orange glitters in there. Pour it all there. And I also want to add some white foam balls just for more texture. It looks yummy, but we are not going to eat it because it is not meant to be eaten. We are just gonna mix that up. And here it is. Here is our slime for anger. It has fuzziness to it. It has orange shimmer and white foam balls.
You know, I'm not gonna lie. I had low expectations, but this one's pretty cool.
Next up, Disgust. For her, we are going to do some clear slime. I hope you can see it. And of course, because she is mostly green, I am going to make her slime color green. Mix, 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 mix. Disgust wears a pink scarf, so I want to use some pink glitters. And check this out, guys. I have 3 different pink balls. I have tiny ones and I have bigger ones. We'll go ahead and add those in there. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, how pretty is that? Now time to add our activator on top. And mix it all up.
Enjoying the chaos and the beauty of all of the charms. Enjoying the beauty and the chaos of it all.
And here is our finished product. Whoa, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of a galaxy, right? A galaxy full of stars, planets, and everything that floats in space. Whoa! Mission accomplished! Woo! What do you think, Disgust? Do you like it? Like it? I love it!
Wow, that actually doesn't look too scary. You see, it's not scary at all. Come on, give it a try. We promise we're gonna keep it away from your hair. Yeah, that's the plan, but just in case.
Is that your version of a helmet?
Uh-huh, can't be too careful. All right, let's make my slime.
I have here some white glue and some activator. Fierce colors are purple and blue, so I don't want to use some coloring for his slime, but I do want to use purple foam balls and different shades of blue glitters. I have here fine dark blue glitters, and I also have some light blue glitters, and then I have some chunkier ones. Now we're ready to mix.
Ooh, I wonder what's gonna look like. I hope it's not scary.
Okay, so far so good. I like what I see. And here it is. Here is Fierce Slime. Oh, that turned out really nice. Even though we didn't put coloring in it, it still turned out purplish and bluish in color because of all the purple and blue things that we mixed in it. And I think it matches his colors perfectly.
Oh, it's scary good.
Let's take a quick look at everything that we made. Here we have our red slime that is super fuzzy with shimmer and white foam balls. This is the slime for anger. Then we have our yellow-green slime with blue foam balls and glitters. This one is for joy. This one is my favorite. This is the clear slime with some hearts and shimmer and charms for sadness. And then we have our green slime with pink charms and glitters inside for disgust. And finally, we have Fierce Slime. It has blue glitters and purple balls. Absolutely super awesome. I hope you friends enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Miss Essie here. Bye.